muflihun.
Afiyat olsun. Afiyat olsun. Allah razı olsun. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, yang tu yang kita nak. Jadi, what is the difference between the first recitation and the second recitation? Can you tell me what is the difference?
The first recitation, too much nasalization.
Too much nasalization, and the second recitation is
Is the proper makhraj for the mad.
yes, the proper makhraj for the mad. And also, it's not just only the proper makhraj, and what also we talk about the sound. So the sound is come from
the empty space of the mouth.
yes, it started from our vocal cord. Jadi suara tu datang daripada mana? Suara tu datang daripada kawasan vocal cord, iaitu kawasan peti suara. Mana kawasan peti suara? Saya boleh tunjuk dekat sini lah ya.